Hello, troublemakers! Today we're going to make Bowsette's shell. This project was especially hard for me. I used a ball to make a pattern. Then I cut the pattern up into the pieces that I wanted the foam to be in. Since I was unsuccessful at making my EVA foam round, I ended up using foam clay instead. After I was done forming it, I left it to dry. The next day I took it off of the ball and put it inside of a bowl. Next, I used the pattern I made earlier to cut out these craft foam pieces. Then I glued them all to the base of the shell. If I was going to do this project over again, I definitely wouldn't use hot glue. The hot glue didn't stick very well, so I'm going to try to find a different type of glue that works better. Next, I put on all the spikes. I just cut little circles of craft foam and formed them into the spikes. After I got all of the spikes onto the shell, I went ahead and put a layer of primer over it. After priming, I went ahead and used acrylic paint all over the shell. And here's our final look. Please follow for more cosplay content. Thanks for watching!